Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fit your videos into CapCut templates using Auto Cut. So the Auto Cut is a feature in CapCut where where CapCut will automatically fit your videos into templates. So here, this is the Auto Cut. If you are open the CapCut homepage, there will be Auto Cut. So click on the Auto Cut and then just select your videos. So after you select the videos, you can just click on Next. Now CapCut will analyzing the clip and will automatically loading the effects and fits your videos into the CapCut template. So for example, this one, if you like with the result, you can easily click on export, or if you want to explore more of the templates, you can just for example, I want to change the category into vlog and select other templates. Here you can just click on the templates and CapCut will loading the effects again. And if you like with this one, you can also click on export. So that's how you can use the AutoCAD to edit your videos easily. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!